A woman invested €5,000 at compound interest for 2 years. The interest rate for the first year was 3% and the interest rate for the second year was 4%. Calculate the value of her investment in the 2 years. So here's what happens. Okay. So F equals P bracket 1 plus I times T. F equals, you invested €5,000, 1 year only, starting off, because we're only going to do the first year. How much money did we have at the end of the first year? Okay, so we're going to go for interest of 3%, 1 plus 0.03. So what do we get here, guys? When you multiply it out? 5,150. That's the end of year 1. Now, we're going to do year 2 now. That's the end of year 1. Now we're going to do year 2. We're going to invest it again. But this time we're not investing 5,000. How much are we investing at the start of the year?
150.
150.
Okay.
We're investing it for 1 more year.
4%.
Sorry?
4%.
4% this time.
Yeah.
There was there. 1.04. How many years? Just the 1. Multiply that. Charlie, you paying attention to that? 5,356. Okay, and that's your total at the end of the 2 years now. Right, go for question 6. So on question 6, lads, same deal. 3 years this time. So year 1, guys, F1. How much did you invest at the start of year 1? 7,500. What's your I value? I value for year 1? 0.06. You're only doing it for 1 year. So what did you have at the end of year 1?
7,950.
Okay. Start of year 2. You invest your 7,950. What percentage are we getting this time, Charlie?
You're getting 12%.
No, we're on this question here. We're on question 6.
Oh, sorry, 8%.
8%. 1 plus 0.08 to the power of 1. And what you get?
14,300.
Too large.
8,000.
So, yeah. 8,536.
86.
Okay. Now finally, in the start of the third year now, how much are you investing this time?
8,506.
Because that's what you have at the start of the third year. And then what percentage are you getting this year?
5.
So 1
plus 0.05.
Power of 1, because you're only doing it for 1 more year. What you get?
9,015. No, 8,018.
Stop for 1 second. Somebody just say it loud and clearly. Barry.
9,050.3.
Thank you. Okay. So 9,015.3. So, in question 3 here, a man borrowed, so you borrowed 7,500 and you want to see what happens. He repays 1,500 at the end of each year. How much is outstanding after the second repayment? So here's what happens, okay? Your F1 is your 7,500, yeah? And you multiply that by 1 plus, anybody tell me?
0.06.
0.06. And you do it for 1 year. And what you get?
75,550.
75?
7,950.
That sounds about right. 7,950. Okay. Now lads, at the end of the year, you repay 1,500 of it. So you go, look, I meant to owe 7,950, but I'm going to repay that. And now I'm going to owe 6,450. At the start of year 2, I now don't have 7,500 anymore. I have 6,450. What percentage is it going at again?
6%.
6%. Put it in, what do we get?
6,837.
6,837 on the dot. Okay, once again, we repay 1,500 at the end of each year. So minus 1,500,
5,337.
and that's how much we owe at the end of 2 years. Do you find that easy or hard, or? It's alright. Okay guys.